Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a wedding videographer and photographer website using Wix. With Wix Website Builder, you'll be able to create a professional website even as a complete beginner. And you can get started for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com, and from there you can sign up using your email address. After you have signed up, you're going to tap on Create New Site, and you're going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After selecting Set Up Without Chat, I want you to type in on the search bar, you're going to type in Wedding Videographer. So let's do that real quick. So you'll see the option pop up to create a Wedding Videographer website, and you're just going to select it. So you can see it right there. You can see Wedding Videographer and Photographer Company. You're going to select that, then you're going to tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you'll be redirected to your website dashboard. On the dashboard, you can give your website a name, so you could type in the name right there. Then you'll tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you can select your site goals. You're going to be offering your services. You can also choose to display creative work, for example, a portfolio of previous work that you have done. And if you would like to sell products, you can select Sell Products. Then you're going to tap on Continue. So we'll add the booking app. If you want to sell products online, you can select online. Then you can scroll down. You could also add blog, and we're also going to select portfolio right there. And we're going to tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you're going to tap on Continue to Dashboard, and you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option, hover over Catalog, and you're going to tap on Booking Services. After selecting Booking Services, from here you'll be able to set up the different services that you like to offer. So for example, I'm going to select Wedding Videographer right here, and you can see some examples. So for example, engagement photo shoot, we could select this option. Then you could change the cover image or leave it as is, add in a quick description of what the service is about, the duration, and you can also scroll down and you can set the price right there. So let's say for example $100 per hour. After doing that, you can tap on Save in the top right hand corner, and you can continue adding more services by tapping on Add a New Service once more. We could add another service. So let's say for example I were to add another service real quick. So I'm going to type in Wedding Videographer once more in the top right here, and then I'll select another service that we'll offer. So let's say for example family photography, or you can select engagement photo shoot or virtual wedding consultation. Any one of these options you could select and offer. You can scroll down and you could edit it just like what I said earlier by setting your price and tapping on Save. After adding the different services that you'd like to offer, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option once more, and you're going to select Portfolio. After selecting Portfolio, from here, you can select whichever one of these categories, or you can tap on Set Up Without AI, and you could create your own project by tapping on Add Project in the top right-hand corner, putting in the project name, description, basic info, and from here, you'll be able to add some of your previous work. So when a client or potential client visits your website, they'll be able to see some of your previous work, and that will more than likely intrigue them to use your services. So you can use this portfolio section to add that. And by scrolling down, I want you to tap on Settings. After selecting Settings, you're going to tap on Booking Settings. From here, you could select Default Hours, and you could set the hours that you will be available to offer your services. So whether you'll be offering your services 7 days per week and a specific time, you can add it right there and tap on Save. You can also tap on Staff, and you can input your staff member's name and email address. After doing that, you're going to go back, and from here, you can also add in your business info. By tapping on Business Info, you can input a logo, and you can also scroll down and you could add in an address if you have a physical location. Once you're finished setting that up, you're going to tap on Getting Paid in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Connect Payment Method. But before connecting the payment method, there are a few things that I also want to show you about Wix. With Wix, you can also create pay links, so persons will be able to pay you instantly. You can also create invoices to send to clients, and you can also create quotations to send to clients or proposals. So we're going to tap on Connect and Set Up, then tap on Connect Payment Method. And from here, you can choose to connect different payment options, either TiloPay or PayPal, and it varies depending on the country you're located in. So for example, if I were to tap on Change and change my website location to Canada, you'll realize that I can now offer my clients more payment options. They'll be able to use Wix. They can also tap on See More Payment Method, and they can connect Square, Afterpay, Bankful, and Klarna. So it varies depending on the country you're located in. Once you're finished setting it up, you're going to tap on Set Up. Then you're going to tap on Design Site. After selecting Design Site in the top right hand corner, you're going to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, you can tap on the search bar, and from there we could type in Videographer for example's sake. After typing in Videographer, you can see different options. So let me select Wedding Videographer and Photographer Company, and I'll tap on Enter, and you can see the different options. Let's say we were to select this template, so we'll tap on Edit. After selecting Edit, you'll be redirected to a new page, and this will be your website editor, and you can quickly edit your website. The first thing you will need to do once on your website, you're going to close the pop-up box that appears. After closing the pop-up box, you'll tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. So just give it a few seconds while it loads up. We'll close this, then tap on the plus 50%, and then from there you can start editing. You can change the name in the top left hand corner by tapping on Change Text. You can also scroll down and you can change the title here by tapping on Quick Edit in the top left hand corner. And you can also change the background image. And it is as easy as that to edit each section. With Wix, they provide you with a template that allows you to create a professional website in no time, even as a complete beginner. So they provide you with all of the information. You simply have to fill in your business or your skills. So you can see right here, you can fill in the About Us section by talking about yourself and your services. And by scrolling down, you can also fill in the different information about the services that you plan on offering, the proposal videos, the wedding day videos, and the love story videos. And if you need further assistance, you can also use AI to compose catchy paragraphs or text that you can use. Once you're finished, to view all the pages on your website, you'll tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner. From there, you can select Portfolio Page, and you could view the portfolio page, and you can see your pictures right here or videos that you have added. Then you'll tap on Publish in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, your website will now be live. So if I were to go to the home page, you can see an example of how the website looks. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.